Good morning, dear children. Our history lesson number 3 is going on, and in that lesson, yesterday we seen crops of the Europe, which were the major crops of the Europe. But with the India, the other countries also started their indigo business, but it was not success in great success. So all the countries now turn towards the India for the indigo production. Now they want the indigo crops from the India, and why they turn towards the India, that we are going to see now. So faced with the rising demand of the indigo in Europe, the company in India looked for ways to expand the area under indigo cultivation. Means during the 17th-18th century, what happened? Ki all the countries finally turns towards the India for the indigo plants. So what happened here? Ki company now the company is in keen interest to grow the plants, to grow the indigo plants in India. From the last decades of the 18th century, indigo cultivation in Bengal expanded rapidly, and Bengal indigo came to dominate the world market. Means see, in the beginning of the 18th century, there were the 30% of India, 30% of land is cultivated for the indigo. Okay, the 30% indigo provided to the other country. But during a period over a time, by the 1810, the proportion had gone up to 95%. Means it is increased now from the 30%, 95% till 95% of indigo production was export in other country. As the indigo trade grew, commercial agent and officials of the company began investing in indigo production. Over the years, many company officials left their jobs to look after their indigo business. Means what happened during the time कि other company members or the Britishers or the French, they want to do the indigo business in India. So that they came in India, they leave their job and they has taken here the land, and they develop their business in India. Attracted by the prospectus of high profit, because they came to know कि in that business there is a lots of profit. Means if they has taken, see in this para, if they has taken the more land in India, so they can acquire the more profit rather than the job. So this they came to know, and they came in the India for the business. So attracted by the prospect of high profits, numerous Scotsmen who came in India, Scotsmen and Englishmen, and became a planters. They came in India and they became a planters. Yes. So what is the planters? What is the concept of planters? Those who had no money to produce indigo could get the loans from the company and the banks that were coming up at the time. Means planters means they became a planters, and they means they grow the indigo. They took here the land and they started their business of growing the indigo. But who were the really Indian farmers? Those who were cultivate the land and grow that cultivate that indigo plant. So what happened with them? Sometimes they were very poor. They not having the amount for growing that crop. So they, in that situation, they can take some loan from the bank, and from that loan they can cultivate the land. Then see the figure number 7, the slave revolt in the Lomingen, August 1791, the painting by the journalist Skutowski. In the 18th century, French planters produced the indigo and sugar in the French colony of the Saint. Now we see in this para, in the 18th century, the French planters produced indigo and sugar in the French colony of Saint Domingue in the Caribbean island. मीन्स कैबियन आइलैंड में क्या हुआ था 18 सेंचुरी में, फ्रेंच प्लांटर्स ने इंडिगो को प्रोड्यूस किया. बट इन अफ्रीकन स्लेव्स हु वर्क ऑन दिस प्लांटर्स रोज इन द रेबेलियन इन 1790. बट इन दैट सेम टाइम who were the slaves, those who are working in that field, they burn or they kill because उन्होंने क्या किया, रिबेलेशन किया सी इन दैट पिक्चर कि हम ये खेती नहीं करेंगे, हमें ये नहीं करना है. एंड दे बर्न द प्लांटेशन, उन्होंने पूरा प्लांटेशन जो था इंडिगो का वो ब्रस्ट कर दिया. एंड किल दियर रिच प्लांटर्स इन द 17. और उनके जो रिच मर्चेंट्स जो थे, प्लांटर्स जो थे, उनको उन्होंने मार दिया. बिकॉज दैट स्लेव्स, those who are doing, they are the cultivation of the indigo, they don't want to do that farming. That in 1792 France abolished slavery in the French colonies. These events led to the collapse of the indigo. So that जो फ्रेंच में प्रोडक्शन किया जाता था, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में जो प्रोडक्शन किया जाता था, वो क्या हुआ था, totally brushed out हुआ था. So that all countries were looking towards the India for that plants. Now the Indian indigo cultivated business is grown up. So in that situation, many foreigners came in India and they started here the business of the cultivation this crop. How was indigo cultivated? Now we are going to see कि indigo कैसे cultivate किया जाता था. There were the two main system of indigo cultivation, Niji and the Rohit. Two systems of there for cultivating indigo crops. The within system of Niji. So first we are going to see here the Niji cultivation system. The planters produce indigo in the lands that he directly control. Means in that system what planters have to do, they have to cultivate the lands, means they have to take the lands and cultivate this plant. Means he either bought the land or rented it from other zamindars and produce indigo by directly employing hired laborers. Means they can take their own land and cultivate the land, है ना. If they not having the amount for taking their own land, तो in that situation they can hire a land. वो क्या कर सकते हैं, जमीन किराए से भी ले सकते हैं 1 साल या 2 साल के लिए from the जमींदार से. Then the problem with the niche cultivation. But what was the problem with that cultivation? Niche cultivation means क्या होता है, the farmers और द जमीन और द कल्टिवेटर्स, फार्मर्स या कल्टिवेटर्स जो कोई भी खेती को उगाना चाहता है, तो व्हाट दे कैन डू हियर, दे कैन टेक द लैंड बाय देयर ओन. मीन्स वो खुद के पैसे से लैंड ले सकते थे, अपनी लैंड ले सकते थे. अदरवाइज इफ दे नॉट हैविंग मच अमाउंट, तो दे हैव टू take lands from the, they can take lands from the zamindars also. The problems with the niche cultivation. But what was the problem, actual problem क्या हुआ था niche cultivations? The planters found it difficult to expand the area under niche cultivation. But here what happened कि planters get the area which is measured or which is क्या बोलते इसको, that area was the एक एरिया जो रहता था वो क्या रहता था, फिक्स एरिया रहता था. मीन्स 1 एकड़ सपोज उसने लिया है, तो 1 बीघा ही उसके पास क्या रहेगी, जमीन रहेंगी. तो इंडिगो कुड बी कल्टिवेटेड ओनली ऑन द फर्टाइल लैंड्स. बट व्हाट हैपन हियर कि ही हैविंग दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड, कि वो उतनी लैंड उसके अंडर है और ही हैविंग अ लिमिट्स नाउ, कि इतनी ही लिमिटेड लैंड उसके पास है और उसके उतने ही लैंड पे उसको क्या करना है, क्रॉप्स को, इंडिगो क्रॉप को कल्टिवेट करना है. बट इंडिगो कुड बी कल्टिवेटेड ओनली ऑन फर्टाइल लैंड्स. फर्टाइल लैंड्स मीन्स अ लैंड विच इज गुड फॉर ग्रोविंग द क्रॉप्स. बट इंडिगो उगाने की क्या कंडीशन थी कि उसके लिए जो लैंड है वो कैसी चाहिए थी, फर्टाइल लैंड. एंड दिस वी आर ऑल ऑलरेडी डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड. एंड दिस फर्टाइल लैंड पे जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग रहते थे. मीन्स दैट इज लैंड इज ऑक्युपाइड बाय द पीपल, दैट इज डेंसली पॉपुलेटेड. ओनली स्मॉल प्लॉट्स स्कैटर्ड ओवर द लैंडस्केप कुड बी एक्वायर्ड. मीन्स ओनली स्मॉल जो प्लॉट्स थे वो बचे थे, और उस स्मॉल प्लॉट्स पे इंडिगो को उगाना इतना ईजी नहीं था. क्या इतने से छोटे प्लॉट्स पे इंडिगो की कल्टिवेट की जाएंगी, है ना. तो इंडिगो को पहले तो क्या था, इंडिगो को गुड लैंड चाहिए थी. इंडिगो नीड्स द फर्टाइल लैंड फॉर कल्टिवेटेड, बट that land was densely populated. Which were the fertile land that is densely populated means this land is already occupied and only small plots are remain there. The planters needed large area in compact block to cultivate indigo in the plantation, but the planters need a large area है ना for the cultivation of indigo. तो where could they get such land from? तो अभी वो ऐसी land कहाँ से लाएंगे? This was the problem. They attempted to lease in the land around the indigo factory. So what they attempt now? They try to lease in the land around the indigo factory and evict the peasant from the area. But this always lead to conflict and tension. Nor was labor easy to mobilize. Means now if they has taken the far away places, means जो पीपल जहाँ पे रहते हैं वहाँ से अगर उन्होंने फार अवे प्लेसेस पे इंडिगो की खेती करना शुरू किया, तो हाउ दे कैन मोबिलाइज द पीपल. वो पीपल को कैसे लेके जाएंगे, कैसे माइग्रेट करेंगे वन प्लेस टू अनदर. दैट वाज द ग्रेट प्रॉब्लम. देन अ लार्ज प्लांटेशन रिक्वायर्ड अ वास्ट नंबर ऑफ हैंड टू ऑपरेट, एंड यू नो इफ द more land is there, so we need the more workers also there, and labor was needed precisely at a time where when the peasants were usually busy with their rice cultivation. Means here see, when they are cultivate the indigo plant, at the same time there was the rice cultivation also similarly going on. So there are the two crops production, means there are the two cultivation at the same time. Which two cultivation was there at the same time? Rice cultivation also and indigo cultivation also. So what was the problem? The members was the same, है ना. मीन्स दोज हु आर कल्टिवेटिंग द राइस लैंड, मीन्स जो मजूर होते, जो फार्मर्स होते, दे वेर द सेम. दे वेर वर्किंग इन द राइस फील्ड also and they were working in the indigo field also. This was the problem they are facing. Then see, niche cultivation on a large scale also required many plugs and the bullocks. Then they need many प्लग्स को उनको चाहिए थे, और प्लोस के साथ उनको क्या चाहिए थे? बुलक्स भी चाहिए थे. तो प्लोज एंड बुलक्स दे नीडेड. 1 बीघा ऑफ इंडिगो कल्टिवेशन रिक्वायर्ड द 2 प्लग्स. मीन्स 1 बीघा अगर लैंड उनको कल्टिवेट करना है तो दे नीड्स द 2 प्लग्स. दिस बीघा मीन्स व्हाट इज द बीघा? बीघा इज द मेजरिंग यूनिट ऑफ द लैंड. तो दैट बीघा, अगर उनको 1 बीघा लैंड को कल्टिवेट करना है, दे नीड द 2 प्लग्स. So this means that a planters with a 1000 biga would need a 2000 plugs. So investing on the purchase and the maintenance of the plugs was a big problem. Means if they purchase that plug and how they can maintain that plug, this was the big problem, purchasing and maintaining of that. Nor could supplies be easily got from the peasants, since their plug and the bullocks were busy on the rice field. That I discussed ki same time the crops are cultivated at the same time, and the problems with them. What was the problem with them? Ki how they can give attention towards the indigo plants. Otherwise how they provide the plugs and bullocks to the indigo plant. How they can do that? Because they already busy with the rice plant. This was the problem. Then again exactly at the same time that the indigo planters needed them. Means we seen ki a group of people, those who are working in the farm, that is same. Laborers also same. They are same in the rice farming also. They are same in the indigo farming also. तो एंड नीड्स जो नीड्स जो थी, जो क्या लगता था उसके लिए प्लग एंड बुलक, दे ऑल्सो सेम. तो एट द सेम टाइम इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता था कि दोनों तरफ वो सेम भेजे जाए और इतनी क्वांटिटी में उसको बनाया जाए और रखा जाए. दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम विद द नीच कल्टिवेशन. But till the late 19th century, planters were therefore reluctant to expand the area underneath cultivation. So less than the 25% of the land producing indigo was under this system. The rest was under an alternative mode of the cultivation, the reyes system. Then we can say कि 25% से भी कम लैंड इंडिगो के अंडर आई थी. देन रेस्ट अंडर एन अल्टरनेटिव मोड. देन सेकंड जो था रॉयल्टी सिस्टम, उसके अंडर 25% लैंड और आई थी. दैट वी विल गोइंग टू सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द रॉयल्टी सिस्टम. तो आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट नीची सिस्टम. लिसन स्टूडेंट, which portion I taught you today that you have to read again from your workbook. Then your knowledge will be proper. Means आपका जो आपने जो पढ़ा है वो आपका एक परफेक्ट हो जाएगा, वो टॉपिक एक प्रॉपरली आपके अंडरस्टैंड में रहेगा. समझ में आया? सो दैट रीड इट अगेन एंड देन क्लियर योर concept. Thank you.